Come see how to earn $15 on the Cash App.
Have you ever seen one of those send $5, get 15 deals and thought, is that for real? Well, today we're going to pull back the curtain on the Cash App referral bonus. We'll break down exactly how it works and, more importantly, how you can actually get that cash. Okay, let's just get straight to the point. $15. That's the welcome bonus we're talking about, and all it takes is one tiny transaction to unlock it. So the big question is, how do you actually get your hands on that money? You know, it might sound a little too good to be true, but the whole process is surprisingly simple. Let's dive into the exact steps right now. It really just boils down to 3 simple steps. If you get these right, that bonus cash is all yours. All right, here's the game plan. Step 1, you've got to download the app, but make sure you use a special invitation link or a QR code. Step 2, and this one is absolutely crucial, you have to enter the referral code while you're creating your account. And finally, step 3, just send $5 or more to literally anyone within your first 14 days. That's it. And this right here gives you a perfect visual of the whole process. It really is as simple as it looks on the screen. You scan the code, you pop in the referral code, and you send the money. 3 little steps for a $15 reward. Pretty good deal, right? Okay, pay really close attention to this part, because this is the #1 mistake people make. You have to enter that referral code when you sign up. If you forget this step, the bonus just won't trigger. Think of it as the secret key that unlocks the cash for both you and the person who invited you. You know, a great way to think about this is like it's a digital guest pass. The referral code gets you into the club. Sending that $5 is like your first activity inside. And for doing that, the club just hands you a cash reward as a little welcome gift. So it's totally natural to be a little skeptical. I mean, why would a company just hand out free money? Well, the answer is all about their growth strategy. Let's take a quick look. See, referral programs like this are basically marketing gold. They've been a huge reason for Cash App's massive growth, helping them build up a community of over 50 million people. That's a whole lot of trust, built one referral at a time. And the thing is, the bonus is really just the hook. The app itself is a pretty powerful financial tool. You can send money in a flash, get your paycheck up to 2 days early, and even design your own debit card. They're betting that once you're in, you'll stick around for all the other cool features. It's really designed to be like a central hub for your money. You can manage your cash, keep an eye on your savings, and even start investing in stocks or Bitcoin, all from the same place. So at this point, you're probably wondering, okay, how do I get started? Let's walk through those final, super easy steps. Getting started is as easy as just grabbing your phone and pointing the camera at the screen. You can scan this QR code right now, and it'll take you straight to the download page so you can get the process started. And hey, just to make it even easier, we've also put a direct link for you in the description and in a pinned comment right below this explainer. Just click that and you're good to go. So, if this explainer helped clear things up for you, do us a quick favor and hit that like button. And if you want more simple breakdowns just like this one, make sure you subscribe. Now go get that free $15 and we'll see you in the next one.